In this video, we're going to review an option to raise the height of a chair or a favorite recliner for you or your loved one if you're struggling getting up due to weakness, pain, maybe after a total hip or total knee surgery. So what I have here we call a platform riser. This is going to give us about another 4 inches of height when getting up out of a chair. Now this is I made this myself. I made it from 2x4s, plywood, and a piece of 1x1 wood. Now, as you can see, I have this 1x1 surrounding the top of the platform. I did that just to prevent the sliding of the chair off of the platform. If you think that's going to slide, you also may want to consider some of this rubberized shelf liner to put on top of it. And if you're placing it on a surface where it may slide, you may want to put some of this underneath it as well. So when making this, you want to check the base of the chair, whether it has legs, whether it has a metal base, whatever that may be. You just want to make sure when you're taking that measurement that you're getting the width and the depth of the base of that chair to make sure that you get this measured correctly so that it fits in here and has a nice solid platform underneath it. Now I've also put a piece of 2x4 underneath this platform for just a little bit more security and stability as well when we set the chair on top of this. So let's take a look at how this platform works under a recliner. So this is what the platform riser looks like beneath the recliner. So as you notice, again, it's going to give me about 4 inches of height. It puts me in a very good position to get up. My knees are below my hip level, so it's going to make it easier for me, no matter what my circumstance, to get up out of this recliner with the seat height raised. So take a look at the comment section below for further details.